We're coming up to South Railway Jetty, and this is the start of HMS Nelson, about 3.5 miles of continuous quay owned and operated by the Royal Navy. The red brick building over to the right there is called Semaphore Tower. It's home to the Queen's Harbour Masters. We call them the QHM for short. They have total control of every vessel's movement in and around the port, from the smallest workboat right up to the largest of the cross-channel ferries. Now they keep watch using radar and CCTV, but they've got Ministry of Defence police launches, armed police patrolling the harbour 24/7. There's 2 of them up by the carrier here, look. They called this South Railway Jetty quite simply because the blue building was the railway station that had been built as part of the Victorian rail network. It was troop trains really, and the odd supply train that would stop here. If you're looking at the building covered in scaffolding, look at the big stairway down the side of it. The building is called King's Stairs Jetty because Henry VIII would walk down those stairs to get on a barge that would row him out to the front of the harbour where all the ships would be at anchor. This is Victory Jetty, and there is HMS Victory. Now for those of you that don't know, they've taken the top masts off the ship to lighten it up. They did this about 7 years ago when they started what they said back then was going to be a 20-year-long restoration project on the rotting and decaying timbers throughout the ship. Do you notice it flies the white ensign? Because it still has its own captain and crew. She is the oldest commissioned warship anywhere in the world today. Okay folks, we're coming up to Pride of the Royal Navy, the largest ship ever built for the Royal Navy. Talking about HMS Queen Elizabeth R08, capable of carrying up to 40 aircraft, named by Her Majesty the Queen on the 4th of July 2014. Her first commanding officer is Commodore Jerry Kidd. Now he's already been the boss of the Ark Royal and the Illustrious, so he's used to aircraft carriers. The ship will carry F-35B Lightning II multi-role fighters. Now they're vertical takeoff and landing, so there's no steam catapults or arrestor wires on this carrier. And of course it'll be loaded with all the different types of helicopters. Chinook, Apache helicopter gunship, all of them.
It's the takeoff bit.
Yeah.
Sea Merlins are used a lot on these because they